Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. If you're looking to transfer your BNB from a secure hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X to the convenient Trust wallet in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, safety first. Let's dive in and get you set up quickly. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X properly set up and the BNB app installed on it. You'll also need Trust Wallet installed on your smartphone and an account ready to go. These are your gateways to seamless crypto management. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable. Once it's connected, open the BNB app on your Ledger device by navigating through its menu. Step 2. On your computer, launch Ledger Live or the wallet interface you're using. This is where we'll initiate the transfer. If you're new to this, Ledger Live is a user-friendly option provided by Ledger. Step 3. Switch to your Trust Wallet app on your phone. Go to your BNB wallet, tap on Receive, and generate a new address. Copy this address carefully. It's your destination for the BNB. Step 4. Back on your computer, in Ledger Live, select the BNB account and choose the Send option. Paste the address you copied from Trust Wallet. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer, and review the fees. Step 5. Double-check everything on your screen and your Ledger device. When you're ready, confirm the transaction on your Ledger Nano X by following the on-screen prompts. This adds an extra layer of security. Step 6. Once confirmed, sit back and wait for the transaction to process on the blockchain. It usually takes just a few minutes, but keep an eye on your Trust Wallet to confirm the arrival. A quick tip: always verify addresses to avoid costly mistakes, and never share your private keys. Crypto security is key in 2025. There you have it. That's how to send BNB from your Ledger Nano X to Trust Wallet. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. Stay safe and see you in the next video.